We don't proactively go pitch branded content. Anytime we're brought into a branded content project, we're brought in by a salesperson from industry or collection.
Okay.
We're proactively going after other kinds of agency work, but for branded content, we're a facilitator.
Okay.
But there's even competition between, sometimes an industry rep might bring us in not knowing that Vogue's also pitching. The other function of this person is we'll share everything that's been brought to us and vice versa. So if we do see a name twice, we can say, hey, this is counterproductive. So I think, I hear you, I think those are all real challenges. I think this designee is a partial solve to some of them. But the paying of freelancers versus editors is a separate question. So anyway, I will get in trouble if I stay here for 1 second longer. I will find a way to do some follow-up, and obviously feel free if anyone has a specific question to call me directly. But hopefully this was at least somewhat helpful in framing sort of the opportunity and what our challenges are, and we'll find the best way forward. Okay, thanks.
Thank you.
Thanks.